September Update Patch Notes Preview. Greetings to all those playing Battlegrounds Mobile India. Here is the preview of our upcoming update. For every Indian player updating to the new version, we provide 2 classic crate coupons. You can also get the Cell Matrix lobby background item for watching the new update theme video, so do not miss the chance. Classic mod under the invasion of alien plants. Our new theme mod, Flora Menace mod, will be updated to Erangel on September 17th, Sanok on September 18th and Livik on September 22nd. And you can enter the mod by checking the mod checkbox. Alien plants called Jarilo will occupy some cities and build a special barrier. Do you think it is because plants are absorbing the energy from the city? Your health will slowly regenerate in the rejuvenation barrier when you are not engaging the opponents. A special system for fight against alien forces is coming. Gather Nakos on the field and press the button below the mini-map on the right to enter the Dynahex supply shop, where you can purchase diverse items for the battle. You can order advanced items like Garoza, Spetness helmet and backpack, and the ordered items will be delivered to your position via supply capsule. There is a Cell Matrix airship in the sky of Erangel, but the Cell Matrix, which used to be the hope of escaping, is now out of control because of intruders. We should retrieve the Cell Matrix through battle. Cell Matrix appears only in Erangel, and you can enter Cell Matrix through beehive shape spreading across the map. You can enter the cell only for a certain period when it's activated. Limited respawn chances are given in the Cell Matrix, and you should fight against the infected Cell Matrix robots and enemies. You can fight with the random weapons that changes in after a certain period. If your respawn chances expire, you are leaving the Cell Matrix and will be moved to the ground. You can find many Nakos in the Cell Matrix, and you can get Nakos by defeating the Cell Matrix robots, so please keep that in mind. If you go to the location marked as Cell Matrix robot on your mini-map, various robots including those with overwhelming firepower will come out from the capsules to attack you. Defeating them will give you items, so take it as a challenge and try to obtain items fast. Features from previous Mission Ignition mode including Riot Shield, Tactical Marking Device, Air Conveyor, ASM Abakan and Automatic Drop also appears in the new Flora Menace mode, so make good use of them in your battle. Have you found a strange item in the Flora Menace mode? Keep it well. If you enter the Fatal Contamination event through the lobby banner, you can sell Epic Purple, Wine and Jarilo Specimen, which are samples found only in the Flora Menace mod. Sell them to Anna to get research supply tokens. You can get these samples and research supply tokens through daily missions. Every Wednesday and Sunday, you can also get them at Carlo's Secret Stash. You can exchange your tokens for permanent skins or other items, so do not miss the chance. Livik is under the AI invasion. Team up with your friends and defeat the AIs. You may enter mode versus AI at the mode selecting screen by selecting the difficulty, and you can play as a squad as well. Since everyone other than your team is AI, you can win the game by defeating them. Flight route is an important element in predicting the opponent's position and establishing a tactic. You can now check the flight route, which used to be displayed only at the beginning of the game anytime on your mini-map. Check it by clicking on the Show Route button. Death replay shows how you were finished and the highlight shows how you defeated your opponents. Highlight works in the classic mode, and you can view the highlights in match results, statistics and moments. Share your super play with your friends. Diverse setting options for players' convenience is added. Setting UI is also improved. If you activate merging, crouching and laying prone setting at the basic setting, prone key is hidden and you can crouch by pressing the crouch key and go prone by holding the crouch key. Attention all sprinters! Sprint sensitivity feature helps you set the level. Enable this by moving the left joystick to accelerate your character from the stationary status to sprinting. You can adjust the sensitivity from 0 to 100 at the basic sprint sensitivity. The default value is 50%. The higher the value, the less you have to move your joystick to sprint. Levels are added to the anti-aliasing setting, which used to have only on and off settings. Have you been hesitating to use the setting because of heat and battery consumption, even if it improves the resolution? Now the setting is divided into off, 2x and 4x. So you can adjust the levels to the one that fits your device. You can set if you are going to use the bandages you have continuously, depending on your HP, or manually use them one by one. Activate allow toggling of transparent UI mode in matches at the basic. Then you can toggle the transparent UI by tapping and holding the game logo on the top during the match. Although you cannot see them, they are still functioning. To make them opaque again, tap and hold the logo again. Activate basic headshot sound effects. If you hit the enemy's head, then you will hear an SFX that sounds like hitting the actual helmet. As basic focal length adjustment setting is added, you can select either tapping or holding to adjust your scope distance. Sticky Bomb, which is an essential item in Karakane, is added to the auto pickup. You can set the number of sticky bombs at the pickup setting. Durability of UAZ and minibus is slightly increased. P1911, FAMAS and MK12 are added to the arena mod configuration. P90, MG3 and ASM Abakan are added to the training grounds. For the players who use lots of ammo in the training grounds, infinite ammo is provided automatically. Camera vibration at the exploding frag grenade is slightly improved. A slight improvement is made on the health bar to indicate momentary multiple health reduction faster. Firing animation of D-Eagle has become smoother. Character movement is optimized and will become smoother. Animation for dropping from the plane or in the air and landing animation are improved. Movement and sprint, pivot turn and swimming motions are improved. Distance is added to the universal marker voice in the chatting interface. Expression effect for enemies ahead on the minimap is improved. Issue that scope slightly moves horizontally when the characters stand up from the crouching position while aiming is solved. Tire protection priority is arranged as follows. Tire growth graph and comparison features are added to the career data, rewards and achievements are added, and overall UI, artwork and systems are improved. Buddy outfit system is added. Beginning from September 28th, mods loved by many players will return for a while. These returns will begin with Metro Royal mode and Titans Last Stand mode. Play these beloved modes for a limited time. This is the end of today's update preview. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow the official channel of Battlegrounds Mobile India. Let's all say winner winner chicken dinner.